I can't move in this thing, but you know, princesses aren't supposed to do any work. Hey everyone, it's Kat, and welcome to part 2 of our 2-part series where we make our own dresses out of newspaper. As a little girl, I never had a single Barbie doll of my own because we couldn't afford them, and also I was kind of a tomboy. But now that I'm all grown up, I was thinking, why not become my own Barbie? So in this video, we're gonna make our own Barbie-inspired dress, but with newspaper. Let's begin!
For this project, all we need is lots of newspapers, glue, needle and thread, scissors, and tape. We made sure to use only the pages with no pictures. For the pages with just a single picture, we cut up a piece of newspaper and covered it up. There, now that looks much neater. Remember that yellow hoop skirt we used in our DIY Disney princess dress video? We're gonna use it for this dress too. This hoop is 3 meters long, so we will glue our newspapers together to form this huge rectangle that is 6 meters long and 130 centimeters wide. Next, we will tape it all along the length of one side of this material. Now we're gonna fold this thing horizontally in half and glue these sides together, but we're gonna leave a gap of about 25 centimeters here so that we can fit through it comfortably while we're wearing it. We have to be very careful about it too because obviously it's paper and very easy to tear. Next, we'll take a needle and thread that is exactly the length of our waist and sew the newspaper along the length like this. Zigzag, zigzag. Finally, we'll make a waistband and paste it to the skirt to make it look professional. Or whatever. We left this extra bit hanging out so that when we wear the skirt, we can secure the waistband with some tape. Now for the top, we're gonna cheat this time, okay? We'll wear this cute black off-shoulder top and that's about it. We're done. Here's the final look.
That's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and we hope that this inspired you to make your own silly little dreams come true. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel up here. Do check out part 1 of this series right here. Lots of love and smiles and sparkles!